This video will show how to update the database by patch script without affecting the existing data. And we will do, first of all, reverse the database to entity relationship diagram, and then modify the database structure in the entity relationship diagram, and then generate the patch script based on the current version of database. And we will execute the patch script into the database and then check the patch is work or not. In this video, I will use the MySQL server to demonstrate the patch. Okay, first of all, let me try to go to the database Visual Architect, and you can use these features in professional editions or Java editions. I go to the ORM button and reverse the database, and I just keep it as default, and I can select the database driver we use, the MS SQL, the MySQL Connect, and I can input. In case you don't have the JDBC driver, you just click this link to download. Okay, then I can input the database information, something like that, and then I test the connections. It's accessed from the patient management, and I next. Then it finds that it's a free table, doctor, patient, and visitor record, visit record. And then I reverse. After reverse, you will see a dialog box. You can select the dialog box and drag it into, select the table and drag it into the entity relationship diagram. Then it will show into the database, so the database structure in the relationship diagram. Okay, let me just add some record into it. For example, and in the patients, I add one more column called ID card number, which is a varchar 32. And I want to, maybe I add a new record, new relationship, add a new entity called hospital, and hospital have the column ID, which is a primary key. It's an int10, and there's a name of column, name of the hospital. It is name, and it is a varchar 255. And the hospital contains a lot of patients, so it have a lot of patients. Then it create, just click OK as a primary key. Okay, the hospital ID. Okay, now I modified the database, and I can go to generate the patch script by generate database. And then in generate database dialog box, I can select the generate database by update database. Then it will generate the update database script. Okay, let me just generate to this folder. Okay, and then I generate now. And what I have done is I have reverse the database into entity relationship diagram, and then modify the database structures, and I generated the script. Let's take a look about the script, the untitled DDL, because I haven't saved the project. So now you can see the script is an alter table, add the column ID card, and add the table hospital, and create table, something like that, hospital ID, and then create the index relation, the constraint relationship. Okay, now I can copy the script and go to the MySQL, and then patient management. And then now I can see the tables, it's only 3 tables, and then I can right click and paste the script. Okay, now I can see there is a table, so number of table here, and I can see the hospital. You see the name ID showing here. So you can keep this, you can use this script to patch your customer's database without affecting existing data. And thank you for watching this video.